The governor says our hospitals have plenty of room for more patients, so no new restrictions are needed. But a top health expert at the University of Arizona is calling the governor, quote, callous and indifferent. Our political editor, Dennis Welch, reports.
Now, the governor maintains that the current surge in COVID-19 cases is due to increased testing. Now, while it's true that more testing will produce more positive results, Dr. Joe Gerald says it's the community spread that is growing by leaps and bounds, and says the governor and his team need to take quick action to mitigate it.
We know that it's in the community. We are not going to be able to stop this spread, and so we can't stop living as well.
That was Dr. Kara Chris, the director of the Arizona Department of Health Services, last week at Governor Ducey's press conference on COVID-19.
This notion that we should just throw our hands and give up seems to be unreasoned and unnecessarily indifferent to their plight.
Dr. Joe Gerald is a professor of public health and policy management at the University of Arizona and the author of this recent report that described Governor Ducey's response to the surge in people infected with COVID-19 as, quote, callous and unreasoned indifference to Arizonans' well-being.
Over the past 3 weeks, testing has increased by about 17%, but the number of positive cases has increased by over 100%.
The governor's office did not respond to our calls or text messages, but Gerald says he should take quick action before hospitals run out of beds, which he says will force hospitals to enact emergency plans, meaning patients will get a lower quality of care.
Just to cavalierly assume that the surge capacity is going to be equivalent to our existing state-of-the-art facilities is unwarranted.
Now, Gerald says that one of the quickest, easiest steps that the governor could take is mandate that people wear masks when they're in public. Now, this is something we've also heard other health experts here in Arizona and across the country say needs to be done. In Phoenix, Dennis Welch, Arizona's Family.